G'day guys, I'm the one and only Strom and I love snow. How yous doing? Good? Oh well, that's great. So, last night I had an issue with my Switch's dock where it would not charge both the console and it would not connect to the TV. And I went on the web to look for potential solutions to fix this issue, and I tried everything that I could bloody find. Like, I turned the power off, I tried power cycling, I tried disconnecting the AC adapter and the HDMI for 30 seconds. I tried changing the resolution on the console. I tried using a different HDMI cable. I tried plugging the AC adapter into an actual wall socket rather than an extension cord or power strip, but nothing. So what I ended up doing was I ended up disconnecting the power cable, then the HDMI cable, as well as my LAN adapter and wired Pro controller. Then I left everything off for overnight, and then I'll show you. When I went to try it out this morning, I turned the power point on, and I got a solid green flash like this. See? And then I got my console and I popped it in the dock. See, it flashed, and then you got the little green battery icon just there come up on the screen. And then you switch it over to HDMI 1 if I can get the remote to work. And then when we turn on the console, hang on, yeah, now we turn it on. Come on, turn on. And voila, it's now displaying to the TV again. So, yeah. As it turns out, all that my console really needed was, or my dock needed, was like an overnight reset, basically. So, yeah. I just thought I'd share this little fix that I discovered, because I honestly thought at the time last night that my dock was faulty, but, you know, turns out I was wrong, so go figure. Also, I will point out that my Switch is the original model. It's not an OLED model, so I can't confirm whether this fix will work for an OLED model, but I'm assuming it would. I don't see any reason why it shouldn't, but, you know, I can't actually, you know, verify if it does work for, you know, the OLED model, because mine's a original model. So yeah. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that like button, share it around with your friends, subscribe to see more from me, drop a comment down below if you need to ask me any questions about this fix or whatnot, and ring that notification bell to be notified when I've uploaded new videos, and follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and Instagram. All links will be in the description box below. And yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.